This Techno smartphone has one of the largest battery capacity in the world. It is a Techno Power 2, and underneath this plastic design is a 7,000 mAh battery capacity. In a world where many devices are powered by 5,000 mAh capacity, but the Power 2 has 7,000. So how long does it take to charge this big battery capacity from 0 to 100? Well, if you are using the 18 watts Polycom charger in the bus, with the phone turned off, it will take you 2 hours 30 minutes to get this big battery fully charged. But if the phone is switched on like this, it will take you 3 hours to get fully charged. But then again, how long does it take to finish this battery? Not 1 day, not 2 days, but 3 days at least. Okay, actually, depending on your usage, the battery capacity can even last you up to a week. But at a minimum level, if you are an intensive user, 3 days is certified. So for those who lives in remote area where there is no constant electricity, this is a major win, because with just one charge of the battery, the Techno Power 2 can last you for many days. Aside from the big battery, the display is also very big. It has 6.9-inch IPS LCD touchscreen with Full HD Plus screen resolution, but there is no high refresh rate, which is another reason why the battery of the smartphone lasts longer. So you stick with 60 Hz, it is slow, especially if you have used 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate before. But again, 60 Hz helps to have long battery life. So big display and big battery means you can have constant playing of games and watch movies without having any worries about the battery. If you take a look around the device, you notice there's no speaker holes around the frame. The only speaker available is the one here on top of the camera. It is not very loud, and being a mono speaker, it lacks quality bass. So it is better to use an earphone whenever you are watching movies or YouTube. Like in my case, I watch plenty of movies back to back, and I also played games. I did all that without the smartphone getting hot. Now don't get me wrong, the phone was warm, but didn't get hot to the extent I can't use it. According to Techno, the Power 2 has a proper cooling system. However, there's only one way to find out if Techno is telling the truth or not. And that one way is to tear the smartphone down. I got my Power 2 same time with TechRad. So on his channel, it tear down smartphones, that's what he does. So I'm really eager to see what he has to say and to see what he will do about the cooling system. You know, the smartphone fingerprint is also the power button. It is fast and reliable. Or you can use the face unlock, which is fast in proper good lighting. But when you are in dark area, the face unlock doesn't work. So it's better to always use the fingerprint system. The back camera is 48 megapixel alongside 2 megapixel macro lens, while up front is 8 megapixel selfie camera. There's a flashlight on the back and on the front. Now, to be honest with you, the Techno Power 2 wasn't designed with camera in mind. So the pictures it takes are not fantastic. For example, the pictures are always exposed, and sometimes or most times they are overly sharpened. So the portrait mode was even worse. Like, take a look at this picture. You see that the portrait mode, my hair was messy. Now, this same picture was taken on Redmi 90, and you can see how better and real it is. So the Power 2 camera is not special, it's just average. So I want you to have in mind, you aren't buying the Power 2 because of camera. If you are buying it because of big battery and because of big screen for gaming and for watching of movies, and for longer battery life, that is understandable. That is highly recommendable. But for camera, this is a bummer, is a no-no. Now when it comes to software, you have iOS 7.6 skin software based on Android 11 out of the box. This smartphone will be getting Android 12. It will remain Android 11. Now, the display and the big battery capacity is the selling point of this smartphone. But for good camera smartphone, the Power 2 is never the right pick. And also, the speaker is not loud. So you prefer using earpiece or the time you're watching movies. Like I said earlier, this has the biggest battery life I've ever used in any smartphone since I've started reviewing devices for the past couple of years. So if you are in for a big battery, the Tecno Pova 2 is the one, the king this 2021. I think Pova 3 or Pova 4 might come with bigger battery like 8,000 or 9,000, I don't know. But for now, 2021, the smartphone with the biggest battery I can easily recommend is the Tecno Pova 2. But for camera, don't get used to this. The camera is not super good, it's just average. Well, let me know what you think about the Tecno Pova 2 in the comment section. And to get a smartphone in Nigeria, it will cost you 108,000 naira because this smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 120 gigs of internal storage. The variant I'm having here is the silver color. Tecno called it polar silver. There are other colors, but this is the one I lay my hands on. And if you're also interested in purchasing it, I don't know how to go about it, you can follow me on my social media accounts, MyHD, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I will link it below the description. Just click it, follow me straight up and send me a DM on how to get this smartphone in Nigeria. Alright, thanks for watching. It's MyHD here and I'll see you around in my next one.